But as we promised, let's now focus on the list of new debutants on the Lal Street today, and specifically on Tata Technologies, because that's the big one to watch out for as well. My colleague Reema is joining us with all the details on that much-awaited listing. Reema, tell us more.
Thanks so much for that. So much excitement, so much frenzy. The first IPO from the Tata Group in 19 years. The last one was TCS in 2004, and the IPO saw bumper subscription overall at 69.4 times. And in terms of total applicants, the Tata Tech IPO received 73.58 lakh applications and 1.5 lakh plus crore in terms of investment. In fact, the total applications received for Tata Tech, I believe, has broken LIC's record of 73.38, which happened in May of 2022. So let me quickly tell you what worked for Tata Tech. One, it was a small issue, just about 3,042 crore in size. Two, the valuations were reasonable. Tata Tech at 500 rupees, which is the issue price, was offered at 32 times past multiple FY23 PE, which is at a discount to all the listed peers like a KPIT, L&T Technology, Tata Elxsi. Third, the financials of the company have been steady. Now, this is a company whose top line last year was about 4,500 crore rupees. It grew at 28% in this year, first half of FY24. The prior year, it grew at about 28%. The year before, at 24%. Margins, too, over a 4-year trajectory, have seen an improvement. It was at 16.5%, and now it's hovering around that 18 to 19%. But the good news is the company, in an interview, told us that their North Star margins are 20% plus. So they have aligned their business plan in order to keep improving their margins and go up to 20% plus. Fourthly, it's a Tata brand. There is a lot of respect which comes along with the Tata Group companies. Fifth, it operates in a space, the manufacturing ER&D, particularly aerospace, automotive, which is seeing a lot of disruption and seeing a lot of spends by clients. So the space itself is very hot, and we know how companies like KPIT Tech have performed. And finally, this was a pure offer for sale. The company didn't raise any money, but they have cash in the books. The cash in the books as of last year was about $150 million. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So that's the big listing that we are watching out for today. In fact, we'll be joined by the management of Tata Technologies at 12:45 p.m. to discuss the list.